What if I tell you you can listen your favorite Spotify music and podcast on your Amazfit smartwatches? Will you believe it? But it's true. You can listen your favorite music on your Spotify music app right on your Amazfit watches, including Amazfit Bip 6, Amazfit T-Rex series, Amazfit Balance, and Amazfit Active series. Yes, you can listen your favorite music using Spotify on your Amazfit watches. Now you won't believe because there is no official app for our smartwatches. Because Spotify never launched its official app for Amazfit. So how we can do it? Yes, there is a way. And here in this video, I will tell you how to do it. You can listen your all favorite music, podcasts or other audio files on your smartwatch. Just follow these simple steps. And further, you can log in to your account, check your playlist, save offline music, and many more options are there. You can use all these features on your smartwatch. To use Spotify on your smartwatch, you have to download a companion app. Yes, there is a new companion app in the store, and that is Remotify. Yes, you have to download Remotify app on your Amazfit watch. And for that, go to Zep app. In Zep app, now click on your device. If you are using Bip 6, then click on Bip 6. If you are using Active, then click on Active, and so on. After that, you have to click on App Store. Yes, there are plenty of apps in the App Store. Now search for Remotify app. Here you can see there is a Remotify app. Just click on it and install. After installation, it will automatically synchronize that app on your smartwatch. And you can see that app on your smartwatch. But before that, you have to download again Remotify app on your smartphone. So go to Play Store and search for Remotify app. Now download and install Remotify app from Play Store. And after that, give it permission like notifications, Bluetooth, and battery permission. Give all permissions, and after that it is ready to use. And finally, it will ask you to connect your companion app with Spotify app. So make sure you have also installed official Spotify app on your smartphone and log into it. Now click on connect to Spotify, and after that it will ask you to connect both apps. After successful connection, you will see all your favorite music, podcasts, and other stuffs on your smartwatch. Now you can play and control all your music from your smartwatch. And for that, you have to open Smartwatch app. But before that, I want to tell you that this app is not free. To play any songs on your smartwatch, you have to get its premium version. When you unlock it with the premium version, then it will play all songs on your smartwatch, and also you will see all your playlists. You can make a favorite or like it, and many other features. To unlock all these features, you have to get premium version. So make sure about that. Now let's see it on our smartwatch. Here, to open Remotify app, you have to tap on menu button. Just click on menu button and now scroll down. When you scroll down, then below you will see Remotify app. Just click on it. Now you can see you have installed your Remotify app on your smartwatch. And here it is my playlist from my Spotify app. You can play next, play previous, or also you can like it or control your music sound. Here you can see your playlist. If you want to see your playlist, then just click on playlist and it will show you all your playlists. You can also see trending songs and other playlists on your Spotify music app. Here you can see popular radio, popular artist, popular album, and many other stuffs. You can just tap on anything, and here it will show you all those trending songs. Just tap on them and start to play. It's really easy. Now to play a song, just click on anyone. Here it will ask you to pay or premium option. When you unlock it with premium option, then it will start playing on your smartwatch. So make sure about that. If you really need Spotify app on your smartwatch, then this is only option on your Amazfit smartwatches. If you have any doubt, then you can ask me in the comment box below. Thanks for watching my video, guys. If you like the content in this video, then please hit that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.